Guys, listen to all the crickets here. How amazing. Pause for a second. Listen to the crickets. Wow. All of this is nature. Beautiful. One more time. Close your eyes. Open. Listen to the crickets. I don't know about you, but it's really calming and very beautiful. Guys, look at the dragonfly right there on the leaf right here. Can you see him? Look at him. Nature, baby. Guys, look at all the woodpecker holes here. So cool. Okay, guys, maybe they're not woodpecker holes. My niece just told me a fib. They're just holes from the old tree. Old beautiful tree. Enjoy nature.